15 money secrets they don't teach you in school. Today, we share 15 priceless financial secrets that have been kept a secret within the walls of conventional education. The school system may not have equipped you from wealth and success, but fear not, as we are here to fill that void. Money loses value over time. Inflation diminishes the buying power of money as its value declines over time. It refers to the general increase in prices of goods and services. When the cost of living rises, the same amount of money can purchase fewer items. For instance, imagine you have $100 today with an annual inflation rate of 3%. After a year, your $100 would only be worth $97 in terms of purchasing power. This means that goods previously priced at $100 would now cost $103. Considering inflation is vital when making financial decisions and planning for the future. Saving makes you poor. Money is a tool, not a trophy. Stashing it in a savings account won't make it grow. Inflation erodes its value over time. To create wealth, you need to invest. Stocks, bonds, and real estate are common investment options. The key is growth and patience with calculated risks. Compound interest amplifies your returns, leading to exponential growth. Investing carries risks, but with financial knowledge, diversification, long-term commitment, and understanding your risk tolerance, you can mitigate them. By following these steps, you can join the ranks of those who understand the power of investing and achieve financial success. The central banks control everything. Think of central banks as a vital lifeline for the economy. They have the power to create and control the money supply, influencing consumer behavior and shaping your financial choices. To protect your wealth, you must navigate their rules. Central banks utilize tools like open market operations, reserve requirements, and discount rates to guide banks, businesses, and individuals towards spending, saving, or investing. Understanding this manipulation is crucial because our economy relies on citizens' unawareness. Unlike the invisible hand of the free market, our situation is centralized and visible. Now, let's explore another money secret they don't teach you in school. The difference between credit and cash. Cash holds immense power and control over your finances. It allows immediate transactions and reflects your liquid assets. On the other hand, credit is a valuable tool but often misused, even by the governments. It involves one party providing resources to another with a promise of future repayment. Credit represents your financial reputation and aids in significant purchases, business ventures, and unexpected expenses. However, it comes with costs, such as interest, which many people fail to consider. To become a finance pro, you must understand how to handle both cash and credit as tools. Mastering this skill unlocks the potential for building generational wealth. Money is tied to value. Money is intrinsically linked to value. It serves as a medium of exchange, allowing us to trade goods and services. The value of money is derived from the trust and confidence people place in it. The more valuable a currency is perceived to be, the more it can purchase. Money also represents the value of our labor and the resources we contribute to society. Its worth is influenced by factors such as supply and demand, economic stability, and inflation. Understanding the connection between money and value is crucial for making informed financial decisions and navigating the complexities of the modern economy. How banks work. Greater awareness and understanding of how banks operate would lead to more ethical practices. Unfortunately, such knowledge is often omitted from traditional education. That's why it becomes your responsibility to take charge of your financial education. By comprehending banking systems, you can avoid unnecessary fees and exorbitant interest rates. Self-education pays off immensely as banks capitalize on people's financial ignorance. Gain a comprehensive understanding by watching the recommended video to make informed financial decisions. Here in Investing Alpha, we can help you gain more financial knowledge and live a more fulfilling life. How to keep your money from flying from your pockets. In the words of Fight Club, advertising has us chasing cars and clothes, working jobs we hate so we can buy stuff we don't need. Tyler Durden's insight holds true as we step outside our homes and encounter constant sales speeches. Marketing's purpose is to convince us that our lives are incomplete without certain products. However, once the thrill of impulsive buying fades, we're often left with seldom used possessions. Differentiating between life-enhancing essentials and mere luxuries is crucial for wealth building and preservation. Why money needs to flow through the economy. For both individuals and the economy, stagnant fiat money is unfavorable. Money must circulate to drive business activities, consumer spending, and investments. When money changes hands through transactions, it enables businesses to generate revenue, pay employees, and fuel growth, stimulating the economy. Money also needs to flow out of the economy through foreign investments, international trade, and debt repayments, preventing excessive accumulation that can lead to inflation. Understanding this concept is crucial for reinvesting profits, multiplying revenue in business, and embracing opportunities for wealth creation through economic participation. How to budget. Budgeting isn't just about crunching numbers. It's the key to achieving financial freedom. It empowers you to control your hard-earned money and turn your dreams into reality. By mastering budgeting skills, you actively work towards your financial goals. Sadly, schools often overlook this crucial skill, leaving individuals ill-equipped in a money-driven world. Learning how to budget gives you ownership of your financial destiny, paving the way for a world where personal debt is the exception, not the rule. Imagine a happier, less stressed world where everyone has control over their finances. How to negotiate deals. Negotiating is a crucial skill in the game of life. Whether it's buying a car, getting a job, or signing a lease, your ability to negotiate can make a significant difference. Many people settle for the first offer they receive, but it's important to remember that prices and salaries are often negotiable. By negotiating, you can save money, secure a higher salary, or get better rates on investments. Negotiation empowers you to take control of your financial situation and maximize the value you receive. It's a practical skill that can greatly impact your financial well-being. Don't be afraid to negotiate because you're not paid what you're worth. You are paid what you ask for. Tax avoidance versus tax evasion. Distinguishing between tax avoidance and tax evasion is crucial to avoid legal trouble. Tax avoidance involves using legal methods like deductions and credits to minimize tax liability. It's a legitimate and smart financial practice. On the other hand, tax evasion involves illegal activities such as not reporting income or fabricating expenses. Engaging in tax evasion can result in severe penalties, fines, or even imprisonment. Understanding this distinction is like knowing the difference between driving within the speed limit and reckless driving. Unfortunately, this important lesson is often overlooked in traditional education. How the money supply expands and contracts. Expanding the money supply boosts lending, investment, and spending, while contracting it can lead to economic challenges. Inflation occurs when there's an excess of money chasing limited goods, reducing purchasing power. Conversely, a money supply contraction can result in reduced lending, spending, and even recessions. Understanding these dynamics helps make informed financial choices. During an expanding money supply and rising inflation, consider investments that keep up with inflation. In times of tightening money supply, saving extra cash for emergencies is wise. Stay ahead by comprehending the money supply's impact on the economy's rhythm. How to fight inflation. Ever experienced walking into your favorite grocery store and being shocked by the sudden surge in prices? That's inflation catching you off guard, and it can make your budget feel like it's in a boxing match. Now imagine that impact on a larger scale, affecting not only groceries but also rent, utilities, car payments, everything. That's high inflation, and it has been felt by everyone in recent years. To learn more about it and prepare yourself, check out our recession videos. And finally, what you do for money. Schools tend to mold students into factory workers and obedient employees. When asked about their future careers, expected responses are traditional job titles like lawyer or doctor, garnering applause. However, unconventional choices like YouTuber or professional gamer are met with laughter. This mentality suggests that employment is the only path to financial success, discouraging exploration and innovation. It promotes conformity, limited ambitions, and disregards unconventional paths. These are 15 money secrets omitted from school education. Why do you think such topics are overlooked or undervalued in schools? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you like this video, be sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button for us. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.